From the stark beauty of the Sonoran desert floor, a titan of stone and life rises dramatically into the clouds. If you like stories like this, please subscribe and like. This is Mount Lemmon, the majestic highest peak in Arizona's Santa Catalina range, soaring over 9,000 feet above sea level. Its story is as rugged and inspiring as its slopes. Imagine the year is 1881. The journey to the top is a grueling, uncharted expedition. A determined botanist named Sara Plummer Lemmon, guided by local rancher E.O. Stratton, becomes the first woman of European descent to conquer its summit. Her passion for the unique plant life she discovered here was so profound that the mountain was named in her honor. Rare and lasting tribute in American history. For decades after her historic climb, reaching the peak remained an incredible challenge, a remote wilderness accessible only to the most adventurous souls. Then, everything changed. The vision for a road to the sky began to take shape. The Catalina Highway, a marvel of engineering, was painstakingly carved into the mountainside. It was an ambitious project, spanning decades and requiring immense persistence. When it finally opened, it unlocked the mountain's secrets for everyone, transforming a difficult trek into a breathtaking scenic drive. This new accessibility paved the way for another surprising chapter in the mountain's history. During the 1940s, an unexpected idea took root: skiing in the desert. This wartime dream led to the creation of Mount Lemmon Ski Valley. Today, it proudly holds the title of the southernmost ski destination in the continental United States. A snowy paradise offering a surreal escape from the desert heat below. It is a place where you can ski in the morning and be back among the cacti by the afternoon. But Mount Lemmon is more than just a place for recreation. It's a sky island, a unique ecological wonder. As you ascend the highway, the landscape transforms before your eyes. Giant saguaro cacti give way to grasslands, then to oak and pine woodlands, and finally to dense alpine forests of fir and aspen. This incredible biodiversity in such a compact area makes it a living laboratory. Scientists recognized its value, building observatories on its peaks to gaze at the stars and study the fragile ecosystems below. Today, the charming community of Summerhaven, rebuilt after devastating fires, welcomes visitors with cozy cabins, inviting trails, and scenic chairlift rides that offer panoramic views year-round. From its pioneering namesake to its southern ski slopes, Mount Lemmon is a desert mountain that constantly defies expectations, a testament to nature's diversity and human determination. If you enjoyed this aerial journey through history and nature, please like, subscribe, and share. Your support helps us bring more of these incredible hidden stories to life. Thanks for watching.